guys get
First
emotional. Karma needs to calm down.
Mandang versus Bihar.
Karma has been walking. Like, look out for Shivam's low kick, alright? That's one of his favorite weapons, I see. Karma wrestling is one of his better suits, but that's a good getaway defense by Shivam right there. Karma is just setting up his boxing, I feel, with beautiful level change by Karma right there, man.
Ties up his hands.
Lock his hands. Shivam needs to get to the body lock. Shivam needs to keep his base strong. Dig that underhook. Dig that underhook. This is very similar to where Rabindra was in his brave fight.
That's the Yuki style.
Oh, what a takedown by Karma with a spinner Rooney. Shivam needs to keep his feet on the mat, bridge, hip heist, and work his way up. Karma needs to pull him away from the cage, get to the body lock. Shivam doing a good job. Shivam doing a good job of staying on his feet, making Karma work offensively while he stays confident with his defense. Karma staying busy with the lock. Karma को यो गेममा उले केज रेस्लिङमा पुरा वर्क गरेछ के सो द्याट त्यही देखिरहेछ अहिले हामीसँग बट शिवमले अहिलेसम्म इभन दो अनट्रेन्ड आईलाई केही देख्दैन नि तर शिवमले राम्रो काम गरिरहेछ उले टु जस्ट स्टे टल हैन टु स्टे टल कीप हिज हिप हाइज Karma needs to work up on that single leg. Karma working his jab. Shivam looking confident now, momentum, I think.
Shivam really wanted to showcase his striking skills for this fight.
Karma has been working a lot of his boxing with Mac Mitts.
He's landed a couple of good counters.
Labma, he's working with the team there. Side to side lateral movement with a shot again. Beautiful defense by Shivam this time. He read it good, but again finds himself against the cage, pinned against the cage.
Karma body locks, eh?
Karma has relentlessly worked this position with Sonny and the team. He needs to understand when to grab, when to... Ooh, chair hook. Shivam walking forward with his hands up. Talking smack. Karma with the defense. Resetting. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Karma landed a punch and a level change right behind it, making Shivam second guess his stance. Shivam standing too tall. I think if I was Shivam's corner, I would ask him to change his stance a little lower, you know, walking forward like that. You're just letting him walk. And good first round for both of these fighters. Shivam walking forward, walking a little talking smack, a little bit, a little mental warfare, but that's why we love this sport. Karma's circling out, very Volkanovski style, circling out, side to side, lateral movements.
Shivam is sticking to his words, wants to really showcase his striking skills. But therein lies the danger of a takedown from Karma, just like that, right on cue.
He needs to grind, pull that elbow close to his body. Karma needs to pull his elbows close to his body. That makes his takedowns like stronger, like his grip stronger also. So the further your elbow goes away from your body, the weaker your grip gets. But Karma is showing a good level change. People need to understand. Wrestle. Let's wrestle. Karma wants to play. He needs to, all right, get up. Let's go. Go again. This is a good show by Shivam, letting Karma get up. He doesn't want to make it into a... Go back to Shivam. Good sprawl this time. I would like to see Karma set that takedown up better. There's guillotine right there, but I don't think it's in yet.
Standing guillotine attempt.
Fast, man. He can sink. अहिले सम्म त भएको छैन तर त्यहाँ फस्ने चान्सेस बेसी छ है त्यहाँ सिङ्क हुँदैछ है single leg Karma with the single leg X trying to do some jiu-jitsu with the butterfly hook left ma. He needs to use that to extend Shivam, create space and work his way up. Top control. Karma needs to play his butterfly game. And yeah, get up. Push off Shivam right now. Shivam doesn't want nothing with Karma's jiu-jitsu.
He just wants to make this a stand and bang.
In this fight.
He's got a cut in his temple, right temple, man.
Man, I think he just walked right into Shivam's knee.
To the left hook, Karma ko nidarma lagyo jasta लाग्यो. Karma circling out, resetting, 40 seconds. It could be anybody's round so far.
Karma needs to move his head
that
away from the center.
Man. I can see that knee hit solar plexma. Saas nikalcha kya. Shivam doing a good thing this round, man. He took Karma's first round pressure. This round, he's more confident. His sprawls are on point. Karma fatiguing a little bit. Karma he needs to lock his hands. Yes.
Yeah. There goes takedown number 2 for Karma.
10 seconds to go. Start throwing some hands. And
this is a little too late in the round, but
Ref! Time!
Oi.
Karma! I don't know, man.
Very close fight, man.
मैले जज गरेँ छैन कि कस्तो डिस्टिङ छैन
कर्मा अलिकति हेड मुभमेन्ट अलिकति धेरै
He needs to like move around
सेन्ट्रल
that.
लाइनमा अलिकति धेरै भयो कि
He's target for the opponent.
He ate that, man.
he's been eating a lot of 1-2s.
Chin.
And a little bit too stationary in that center.
That's the mistake he did Con Jarvin सँग पनि. He had his head at the same place for too much.
Right there. यहाँ चाहिँ ग्राइन्ड गर्नुपर्ने हो कर्माले. शिवमले राम्रो अन्डर हालेर निस्क्यो सी.
He's been framing all the attacks really well. घाँटीमा फ्रेम हाल्दै गर्छ.
Karma is
Right there. Use the butterfly to get up. Yeah. Up. Uti. Recenter.
Karma.
Shivam moving forward confidently this time.
Karma is a little bit tired with all those attempts, but relentless nonetheless.
Damn, that's a lock the double. He needs to pull him away. Right there, pull him away, pull his cage away from the cage, I mean.
Right in front of his coach.
That was not a good move by Karma, man.
And now on top mount.
He pulled himself on top of, pulled his opponent.
A
A little bit, just tired, man. You can see fatigue setting in. Karma ko labored movements bhayera cha aile. He needs to turtle up or like
He should like conserve the energy and not like explode.
Just like 1.5 minutes left. Not give his back though. Oh fuck, get to half guard, get back to half guard and build your way up. Yep, build your way up. Needs to frame, push him off, not let him pass. To side control.
And
this is a dominating position for Shivam right now. 1 minute to go. Oi, 1 minute to go, guys. Anybody's fight. Karma looking a little desperate now with his takedown attempts. He needs to start throwing his hands.
This is make it or break it for Karma. But Shivam is in total
doing a
control
fantastic
of this
job
fight.
with his takedown defense. 30 seconds less than. They need to make a statement, these guys.
If Karma is to save this fight for himself, he has to do it now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is mixed martial arts. Anything can happen up until the dying minutes. 10 seconds left.
Shivam doing a good job of not letting him Karma get to the back right now. Shivam has had an impressive third round, man.
We end
of fight. Good fight for both.
A very competitive fight. Karma not impressed and not shaking the hands of his opponent, Shivam Jha. Mostly disappointed with himself. But
a fight's a
nonetheless, a very tough fight between these two fighters.
Good show for both fighters. Karma looked a little rusty, I would say, after his last fight. He had a long break. Fair result for Shivam. Fair fight, fair. This is.
I think ring rust aligadi settle.
ठीक है सर. Karma will be back. Karma will be back.
This was definitely a very tough opponent. A lot of experience.
I told you, you can be the fight. I will give them a fight of the night.
Shivamja talking to the commentary booth. I'm not sure about the fight of the night, but definitely
But good defense, I'd say. Very good defense. Defending like that against Karma.